Hi everyone, I'm Alan from Big Academy. So would like to teach you how to use AI Marketing.My to create the content for your YouTube video. So I believe YouTube is one of the very good social media for you to promote your services, your personal branding, your knowledge, to make it as an education channel, right? To do the sharing, to let more people know about you and utilize the YouTube algorithms and the keywords marketing to improve your exposure. So right here, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Marketing.My. So we have a features is to help you to plan your content, okay, which is the copywriting, the title for your YouTube video. For example, I'm going to post this video. So the title, yeah, you will need to include the keywords and so on. So it can help you to push your traffic to make it a few thousand people see it, or maybe 5,000 people see it, okay, and to help you to get more comments as well. All right. So from time to time, yeah, it can help you to generate some notification as well. Okay. So I will go to after you create an account, you log in. Yeah, you choose a dashboard. So when you go into a dashboard, you will see the templates right here. Yeah. If you didn't see this one, you can go to left hand side looking for the menu, and you can see the templates. So I will go to scroll this. Yeah, this menu can be scroll and go to social media. Okay, it's not here, so sorry. It's video, it's video. Okay, it's video. So right here, got a video title and a video descriptions. A video title. So I will go to this one, video title. Then we need to plan. Yeah, what is it about title? So I was talking about this. Um, yeah, I to create account in AI marketing software. It is free and is free. To create contents for social media. So make it a cited method. Then choose the 5 results. This testing and the wordings is 20 words. I think it's okay. All right. So direct text. We have 5 tags already. Okay, I think this one is quite good. Yeah, so I will choose one of it. Okay, I will just export it as a title, the title for my video. So what I will do is I will remarks down, remarks down, okay, and I will finalize also, yeah, to add in some keywords, okay, and then I need to ensure the filling is there. So you can see. Let's start with. I think this one is quite good. Creating stunning content. Yeah, this is good. Okay, I will choose this one. Unleash social media creativity. Stunning content with free AI marketing tools. From Malaysia. Okay, because I want to add these SEO keywords with the location, with the country, Malaysia. Yeah, AI Marketing.My is proudly created, yeah, in Malaysia by our team. So I see, is it quite long? create content with free AI marketing software. Malaysia, I think that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so next one, we will need to this one make a copy because we need to use it for filling the blank. Yeah, when I choose the video subtitle. So go back to it to the templates. Then go to next one is video and go to video descriptions. Okay. So you need to explain. Yeah, right here is explain. Yeah, the software and then what is the USP? Social media. This round I choose professional type. Then choose 5 content and then 300 wordings. I think is quite a lot. We will just make it 100 wordings generate. So wait for it to create it. After that, please remember to add in more SEO keywords. Yeah, you need to add in some related keywords that what people search. Yeah, when they can find you. Of course, location is one of it. The branded informations, branded contents related to this topic. Yeah, you also can add in. So I have these 5 already. Then I will double check. Okay, I think all is quite good. So I will export also. Then I get this in 4. Just select all. Just paste. Okay. So please choose one. Okay. Yeah. Just now we're using the creativity part already. So okay, I think this one is quite good. You can use this one to amend, add in the keywords with AIMarketing.My. Okay, because our AIMarketing.My, our features lah, got do the visuals, videos, and so on. So it can help, help on this because it can help you plan the script of the video as well. And we also got the AI content right here, AI image for you to create image. So I think this one I need to mention as well in my description. So I will copy this sentence. Is one of the good sentence for me. So I will replace one of the sentence. I think this one is quite good. I add in some social media name in Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. So okay, this one is quite good. All right, this one is good. Yeah. So okay, I have the final version already. So all this I will use it for the video posting to promote my software. So that's how I use the software to create the YouTube video title and descriptions by using AI Marketing.My. Okay, so that's all for my tutorial. So please enjoy to use it and subscribe to our software. And we have more software and marketing strategy will be shared to you. Please stay tuned in my channel. And please remember, see you in the next courses. Goodbye.